Quran Mahfil organized by Tamirul Ummah Madrasa and honorable audience present behind the curtain, to all the holy mother and sisters behind the curtain, I send my Islamic greetings from the bottom of my heart. Today, I feel very blessed as a student of madrasa. Studying in madrasa was once disliked and reprehensible to the people of our society. And even if a student was admitted to madrasa, he would be without talent and handicapped in some way. They are very weak in English and science subject, but the madrasa education system has improved so much that it can be seen that Dhaka University is the first madrasa student. Not only that, the first madrasa student is in medical. Jahangirnagar University is also the first madrasa students. Not only in the country, but also in the outside world. Those who are in the first row are also madrasa students. Madrasa education can make you muttaqi, because Allah Ta'ala says, Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. That's meaning, the most pious among you is indeed the one who has the highest status in the sight of Allah. So, let us enroll our children in madrasa and the world. Make the afterlife happy. May Allah grant us that tawfiq. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
ছাত্রদের পাগড়ি প্রদান উপলক্ষে অদ্য 28 ডিসেম্বর 2025 রোজ রবিবার 2 দিনব্যাপী তাফসিরুল কোরআন মাহফিলের সমাপনী দিবসের সম্মানিত সভাপতি হাজারাতে উলামায়ে কেরাম, আমার সামনে উপস্থিত তাওহীদি জনতা,